I am talking about how to brain sharp in this video. Intelligence is a complex and multifaceted concept that has been studied and debated by scientists, philosophers, and researchers for centuries. Here are some interesting facts about the intelligent mind. 1. Intelligence is not a fixed trait. It is not something that you are born with and cannot change. Instead, it is a combination of genetic and environmental factors that can be influenced by experiences and learning. 2. Intelligence is not just about IQ. While IQ, intelligence quotient, is a commonly used measure of intelligence, it is not the only way to measure it. Other factors, such as emotional intelligence, creativity, and practical intelligence, also play a role in determining a person's overall level of intelligence. 3. Intelligence is not just about problem solving. Intelligence is also about being able to understand and navigate complex social situations, and being able to adapt to new environments. 4. Intelligence is not just about being smart. Intelligence is also about being able to learn from your mistakes and making good decisions. 5. Intelligence is not just about being able to do well in school. Intelligence is also about being able to think critically and creatively, and being able to apply what you learn to real-world situations. 6. Intelligence is not just about being good at math and science. Intelligence is also about being able to understand and appreciate art, literature, and music. 7. Intelligence is not just about being able to think logically. Intelligence is also about being able to think creatively and imaginatively. 8. Intelligence is not just about being able to remember facts. Intelligence is also about being able to understand and make connections between different pieces of information. 9. Intelligence is not just about being able to read and write. Intelligence is also about being able to communicate effectively, both verbally and in writing. 10. Intelligence is not just about being able to perform well on intelligence tests. Intelligence is also about being able to perform well in real-world situations. 11. Intelligence is not just about being able to learn quickly. Intelligence is also about being able to retain what you learn and apply it to new situations. 12. Intelligence is not just about being able to think abstractly. Intelligence is also about being able to think concretely and practically. 13. Intelligence is not just about being able to think critically. Intelligence is also about being able to think creatively and imaginatively. 14. Intelligence is not just about being able to solve problems. Intelligence is also about being able to understand and navigate complex social situations. 15. Intelligence is not just about being able to think independently. Intelligence is also about being able to work well in a group or team. 16. Intelligence is not just about being able to think logically. Intelligence is also about being able to think intuitively and emotionally. 17. Intelligence is not just about being able to think rationally. Intelligence is also about being able to think emotionally and intuitively. 18. Intelligence is not just about being able to think analytically. Intelligence is also about being able to think holistically and systemically. 19. Intelligence is not just about being able to think linearly. Intelligence is also about being able to think non-linearly and creatively. 20. Intelligence is not just about being able to think abstractly. Intelligence is also about being able to think concretely and practically. 21. Intelligence is not just about being able to think critically. Intelligence is also about being able to think creatively and imaginatively. 22. Intelligence is not just about being able to think logically. Intelligence is also about being able to think intuitively and emotionally.